Here's a question I need to ask people. I have wondering about the light on my, the indicator light in my drive situation. Now, park works, reverse works, neutral works, but drive doesn't. Second works, and low works. So my question is, are there like individual lamps, or is there a circuit, or how do I go about replacing or repairing the drive light so that it lights up when I hit drive? Okay, has anybody had that problem? This is a 1998 Toyota Sienna. Okay, and like I said, the indicator of my drive condition, park works, reverse works, neutral works, second works, low works, but drive does not light up. So if anybody's can give me some help on how to repair that or fix that, whether that's an individual bulb or I got to take out a circuit or whether it's a whole Megillah, please let me know. Thanks a lot, guys. Bless you.